On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Let's get it. Good morning, good morning. It's Friday, baby. How are we all doing? Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Let's get after it. Hope you're doing well. My God, so many good people here. What an amazing, amazing, amazing community, guys. How are we all doing? It's been a wild one lately. It's been a wild one. It's good to see lot mo crypto. Let's get it. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Good morning to you. Martina, what's up? What's up? Hope you're doing well. Easy C. Is that like Easy E, but like way cooler because you're like Easy C in the place to be? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Forget about it. What's going on? Let's get after it relentlessly as usual. I love that. I love that. Tony Soprano in the chat. What's going on, amica mia? Hey, how's it going? Buongiorno. Buongiorno, buongiorno. What's going on? Seymour, Liddy, good morning. Otter, gang. Goldie, crypto in the chat. What's going on? Great call at 55555. Yeah, that was pretty sweet. Reapers, creepers, good morning to you. The pollo is here. So, yeah, let's go, Mr. Chicken. Crypto pollo. What's going on, my man? Hope you're doing well. Guile, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope you're doing well. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Well, today will be an interesting day, won't it? Oi, Jeet Corp. What's going on? Guys, say hello in the morning, man. What, are you going to show up? You're going to show up to work and you're just going to just be quiet? What are you going to do? You're not bringing coffees? Like, what's going on? Oh, man. It's good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. And let's get into it. Oh, my God. We got to get ready. We got 24 minutes till we got some data. Some data or data? I want to know. Do you guys say data or do you guys say data? Data, put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat for data. Okay, let me know which one you say. Data or data? It's always a good debate. There's no right way. It's like how in America they spell color without the U. Good morning, paper planes. What's going on? It's taco time. It's taco time. Yeah, it's always taco time, man. So everybody says data. Data. All right. It's not data. It's not like the daytime. It's the data. Woo-wee. So we are getting prepared for what, guys? What are we getting prepared for? How are we going to prepare for this? And I mean, Beautiful, beautiful trade set up last night. I mean, if you're not in this beautiful paid Discord, funny, it's $1 a day, man. It's like $1 a day, and we've already been crushing it. It's absolutely incredible to see everybody winning. We took the long yesterday. Where was it? Last night. It was here. This was the long we took. We took this one here. Oops, wrong tool, wrong tool. We took our long here. I mean, we were looking at 555. I mean, it couldn't have been any more gift wrap material. I mean, this was like so juicy. So juicy. In advance. Okay? The thing is, it was in advance. So we got a whole bunch of datas. Crypto Josh, Aaron, good morning. Good morning, YY. Picard is right. Who's Picard? Picard who? And yeah, we had the call, right? So I mean 55,500 coming down to our key level, bouncing off of that, coming up to our trend line. Easy money. I told you guys when I entered, perfect bounce, blah, 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 blah. Just been good. It's just been good to all those super Otter family members who took that trade. Congratulations. Now we're back at it. I mean, we've rolled over and we've paid ourselves. One thing we've learned from Crypto Blood is ABC, always be closing, okay? Always be closing, ABC. Always be taking your money. Always be paying yourselves. We take the profit, we put it in the bank, we compound our accounts, and we look to continue to make money, okay? We're not looking for these massive moves right now. We've talked about the condition of the market at nauseum, okay? At nauseum. I'm going to smash it home yet again. We are getting maybe 3% to 5% moves. And then we are coming back and liquidating people. It's Bart Simpson's paradise, okay? So we can see that as we chop, right? Unless we are some like major swing trade right now. But as we chop, we are just coming back and liquidating positions, okay? So if we're trying to get that home run trade, we're really going to put ourselves at a disadvantage, okay? Really going to put ourselves at a disadvantage if we're trying for the swing home. If we can take the breadcrumbs, if we can collect a little bit of money here, a little bit of money there, you know, multiple streams of income throughout the day, I believe this is going to be the better way, okay? For now, we be scalping, right? We be scalping, we be crushing these markets, but we need to remember the conditions, right? The conditions are as such, so we need to be prepared. As you can see, if we did not pay ourselves last night on the trade setup, and I told you guys I paid myself, so this thing popped off, right? We this is a nice move, right? We gave the trade setup from all the way down here, all the way up here. This is a 2.5%. If you cannot make $20 on 2% move, you can do it. Okay. And if you are new here, thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. Join us in the Discord. The Discord's where all the goods is. Okay. All the goods. But if you didn't pay yourself on this move up, which was actually quite nice, coming up to our trend line here, you would have been wrecked, right? You would have been wrecked, right? So it's just reminding you guys of the conditions, what we're looking for right now, and how we're looking to trade it. Okay. So as you can see, we have since rolled over, grabbing the liquidity from the longs over here, right? Big, huge liquidity grab. So the idea is that there's a target down here. There's a target down here. Okay, that's going to be... I'm even happy to move this down to here. Okay, so let's move this just down to here. Okay, let's adjust our charts. The big doozy, in my opinion, is here, 54.6. Okay, that's going to be the level. Now I went and got a new liquidation map. Okay, this one I think is prettier. Put a 1 in the chat if you like this one better than the other one. I like this one. It's pink. It's pretty and pink. Okay, it's pretty and pink. And we were saying 54,700. This is saying 54. Yeah, but the major one, yeah, is 55. Okay, 55. Okay, But look above us, man. Look at that 57,000. My God. Oh, yeah, baby, says Seymour Liddy. Let's go, bro. He likes, I mean, if you like the pink, it's a lot prettier, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, man. Let's go over to the 1 week. Oh, I like using the 1 week and the 2 week. Yeah. So, yeah, jumping over here. Yeah, we know you like it. Purple is royal. Okay, purple is Mrs. Otter's color, and it's a royal. Purple used to be the most expensive. That's why it's royal, because it used to be the most expensive dye to ever make. Right. So if you were rich, you wore purple. Tony Soprano's still bitter because he likes to wear all black. I get it. In real life, you look at my wedding pictures, all black suit, man, with a little orange, okay? I get it. I get it. So really, as we're coming down here, and I've illustrated this in the Discord as well, is we are making so much bullish divergence, it's ridiculous, because we're in a descending channel, right? Yes, there is some liquidity down below us here, 54.7. That's kind of my target, 54.7. But above us, my God, 60,000 babies begging for us to come there. It's begging for us to come there. That was a nice suit. Thanks, Tony. I had to clean up nice for once, you know? For once. It was my wedding. $61,000, baby. 61,000. So as we are coming down here, you can see this. I'll draw it very clearly. Downtrend. Okay. Uptrend. Bull divs. Okay. Bull divs. Descending channel, so you can just get a regression trend, pull it along here. There you go. There's your descending channel. We're at the bottom of the descending channel. The descending channel now is suggesting our key level at 54,700. So if we roll over from the jobs reports, which is going to happen in 15 minutes, guys. I'm kind of just delaying till then, to be honest. We'll have to see what happens. Could we get that flash crash? Could we just do a nothing burger? It's quite possible. Quite possible. Oops. Did I just close it? I did. Sorry. I just closed TradingView. Dummy. Come on, TradingView. Not wanting to load now. There we go. Oh, now we opened 5 of them. So we're seeing if this can continue. Depends on your margin and leverage, whether you make $20. I made 51%, but my margin was 25 on 40X, so I made half of $20 winning day, though. Good job, Luke. Good job, man. Good job, bro. Crypto Pollo, is that why we titty twisters are so-called purple nurples? Because they are the most painful. Purple nurples, man. You're definitely a 90s child, bro. You're definitely a 90s child with the purple nurples, man. We were bloody knuckles, purple nurples. I mean, we were so abusive to each other. Imagine a kid from 2000 born in like 2010 or something, and him playing bloody knuckles. You think they still do it? Good morning, French toaster. It's not about the dollar amount, it's about the percentage. Absolutely, Josh. Absolutely, Josh. I love seeing you guys win. So, dollar coming back down. A little bit bullish, okay? A little bit bullish. As we've rolled over, this is a little bit bullish, okay? However, there's a lot of fear, right? We know it's September. There's a lot of fear. We go over and we check the fear and greed, and we see that it's... What's fear and greed right now, guys? Is it sub 30? 22. Fear and greed's at 22. Wow. 22. Where's VWAP? Okay, we've rejected below VWAP. We've come up. We've retested VWAP. We've pushed down. We know liquidity resides below us. Okay, no trades so far. We're very much stuck in the middle with you. Nah, soft. We played with sticks when I was a kid. Yeah. Crypto Pollo's born in the 80s. Okay. A lot of things changed in the 80s and 90s, I tell you that. I'm right on the edge. I was made in 89 and I was born in 90. So if I was made in 89 and I was born in 90, what does that make me? Does that make me an 80s kid or a 90s kid? I know I grew up in the 90s, okay? But am I allowed? I mean, I still had a Walkman with a cassette tape. I played Crazy Bones and Pogs. Okay? We got 12 minutes till the data comes out. Good thing Darren does things here. He's very good at understanding the data. Good to see you, Darren. AL Jr. Yo, good morning to everyone from Miami. All blessings to your new baby, bro. Let's effing go dump it. Let's go. Thank you for the nice. Yes, we did Pokemon cards as well. I still have my binder of Pokemon cards. First editions, baby. I don't have a Charizard, though. I don't have a Charizard. Sorry. Thank you for the kind words about the baby, man. Yeah, he's doing great. He's doing great. He's a little trooper. He's yeah, I'm truly blessed. Your mom burnt all your Pokemon cards. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's not very nice. Let's just pull a fib extension here quickly. Okay. Now, I'm not trading the news as the news comes. Okay? I'm not trading the news as the news comes. I'm just going to wait because I don't want to get wrecked. Okay? Also, I want to be prepared. Okay? The best way to be prepared is to be patient. And if anything I can teach you guys on this channel, hopefully from these. What's the difference between an order block or a liquidity block? Good question. Good question. So an order block is basically where the institutional money is creating some sort of. Yeah, it's like large institutionals that are, trading in bulk. It's like a pause. It pauses there, so it's an area of interest. And it can't all those orders can't be executed right away. Like it takes a lot, right? And it forms the order block, right? So it forms the order block. Liquidity zones are areas. So like an order block can be, you can go into any of this, but I have an order block tool, but it's just like an institutional area, and the blocks often become key levels of support and resistance, right? So if I turn on this thing, there's probably one right here. Liquidity's above here, so if I turn this on, there you go. So you can see here, you got a loud order block there, which is also paired with liquidity. So down here, you have a bunch of orders. If I zoom in here, you can see that this stalled out, like it chopped up, right? Stalled out, right? But it also created liquidity down below because people are getting long here, right? Okay, same with here. People are getting long here, creating liquidity. An order block is it pushed up here and it chopped a bunch, and then it continued to push. And these all differ on different time frames, right? So if we're looking at liquidity, we can see above here, above here, because we never came back for this liquidity up here. Okay, so there's Here, I'll post something here for you, my friend. We still got 8 minutes. Oh, it won't let me post all of that. Okay, let me copy and paste half of it and I'll post it. Here you go. This one and this one. There. There you go, my friend. There's your order block. And liquidity is just an area where they've left liquidity behind, and that's why we always check the heat maps, right? We check the heat maps to understand where people are in trades, right? So people are getting short up here, right? Their stop losses possibly above here, right? So typically you want to see liquidity hunts, right? As liquidity is created, it's basically leaving price behind, right? So as we are pushing, this is why I always like mark out highs, right? So as we are pushing down here, we have left this high above here, right? We have left this high above here. We have left this high above here, right? We've actually created a lot of it up here, right? Remember we said 61,000. If we go over here, we can see that all of this in here, liquidity, right? This is all liquidity because price has yet to return to this area. So people who have gone short here are still happy hanging out. You know what I mean? Making money. They're all making money. Market maker wants balance in the force. He wants to have the bulls wrecked, the bears wrecked, right? The bulls being wrecked, meaning going downwards, the bears being wrecked going upwards, right? So you're grabbing liquidity both ways, creating equilibrium so that price can move in a certain direction. That's why you see full retracements on Fibonacci, right? So whenever we're in this nice kind of descending channel, right, liquidity is being grabbed enough for it to continue downwards, right? That's why also when we moved up here, okay, let me get rid of this because it's a bit crowded. When we moved up here, it was really quick, right? This was a quick move. Therefore, we left a lot of liquidity behind. So, yes, we chopped sideways, but eventually we're going to come back down to visit these guys here. And we're also going to possibly come back and visit these guys up here, okay? Understanding where it is, it allows you to pair your trend to where targets will be met, right? That's why we're looking down here. Right, so our trend is down right now. So we're looking for this target to be met. And then we're looking for a reversal. And that just helps with bias, in my opinion. So I've gone through this. I've looked at this. Money is coming in. We have a series of higher lows coming in on market, say, on our 4 hour for today. Okay, the 3 hour looks like it could push as well. Same kind of deal. The 2 hour, same kind of deal today. Okay. There's an opportunity for a potential bounce here, in my opinion. The daily is the hopium, in my opinion, for a continuation up as well. You can see the daily here, even though we have put in a series of lows here. We have put in a bullish divergence, looking for this third wave to possibly play out and push us up, okay? Will we get it? It's very much going to be on how the market reacts to the unemployment data, which we have in 4 minutes, okay? That's going to really dictate. We might get a little bit of volatility right now, but the big volatility is going to be how the stock market reacts at 9:30. Okay, that's what we're definitely looking for right now. But this gives me a little bit of hopium that we could see a pushback. Doesn't mean we don't come down and grab some liquidity, right, before we push back, but this is giving me a little bit of hopium. Remember, the next month is going to be critical. We have today, unemployment rate. We have September 11th, which is going to be our interest rate. And then we have the 18th, which is our rate hikes, okay? Our cuts, our rate cuts. So we have today, the inflation, and then the cuts, okay? These are going to be very key areas in the next couple of weeks, okay? So we're keeping our eye on the prize. We're trading the volatility as it comes to us, and we're going to just take advantage of price action. That's basically how it is right now. So we just keep it simple. We pay ourselves early. We get key levels. We put good risk management into place, and we manage and we pay ourselves. Okay, so that's where I'm at right now. As you can see, we're getting a little bounce off of the soft order block right now. So nice little move for Bitcoin, putting in a higher high. Let's see if we do put in. Yep, we've put in a higher high here on the 3-minute. We'll see if we can push back up into our VWAP, which we understand. Yeah, we're pushing above our VWAP. Okay, news data is coming out in 2 minutes, guys. So let's prepare for the worst, and that's it, right? So let's watch the fireworks, get some popcorn, make sure your coffee mug is full. Mine's like only a quarter full, which is kind of sad, but nonetheless, we'll be here ready to make some money. What are we looking for on jobs data? Well, the consensus is coming in at 4.2. You can see 4.2 here. We are loading non-farm as well. Okay. We can bring this over here. Look at that. 2-for-1 deal, man. 2-for-1 deal. We got a minute and a half, my friends. A minute and a half. Choppity chop chop. Can we make this more visually appealing for you guys? I'm trying to make it nice. Let's see how price reacts. I'm going to let the dust settle anyways. Trying to trade this is you're asking for it, really. So you get this, and we'll get this. And we'll see how the price reacts. Is that okay? I think that's okay. You can see both, right? I can hide this if you want. There you go. You can see both now. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We'll see how this price reacts. Then we'll look to trade after. I've traded these things so many times where it's just like, it's lunacy. It's lunacy. Okay? It's lunacy. 30 seconds, baby. Do something. Do something. Come in at 4 or 4.1. 4.1? Forecasted 4.3. If it comes lower, I think it's bullish. Dumping. Woo. Pumping. Dumping, pumping, nothing burger. Give me the data. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm blinded. 4.2. 4.2. 4.2. We're going to the moon. 4.2. 4.2. 4.2. Breakout retest. Breakout retest. Breakout retest. Do we get long? The false move. They're coming back. They're coming back. Dixie dumping. Non-farm comes in at 142,000. This is bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. We'll see how it reacts. I love fireworks, man. This is why you don't trade it, my friends. Look at the Darth Maul candle, 2%. 2% Darth Mauling. Let's go. Let's go. Got faked out this morning. Got faked out this morning. Good morning from Markham. Good morning, NW. Markham, Ontario. Good morning to you. Okay. Dust is settling. Dust is settling. It seems as though they like it. They like it. Good morning, Alexandra G. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Have a safe drive into work. Was that the Soprano theme? Chadwick's Racing, good morning. Liquidation zones at Chart Prime Market Dynamics Pro. I just arrived at work. Good. Awesome. Awesome. Arrive alive. Arrive alive. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, Nick. Okay. So we have a little bit of an idea now. Let's let the dust settle a little bit. Dust settling. Dust settling. I wanted to go long there. Who wants to go long right now? I'm tempted to go long. I'm tempted, you know? I'm really tempted, but I wouldn't put it past them to hold price here. To hold price here and then just come back, okay? To here. I wouldn't put it past them. These are some fuddy numbers, man. We got 4.2, so forecast was 4.3. We came under at 4.2. Forecast was 120,000 non-farm payroll jobs created. We had 142,000, okay? So the U.S. economy added 142,000 jobs, which is good. Okay? Came above target. They were expected to not come above target. Well, they were expected to come. Yeah. So they added jobs, which is good. We'll have to wait and find out how this reacts. See? Don't get long on. Don't buy the top, right? We don't buy the top. Let's wait for a retest of VWAP. Let's see if we get in at VWAP. Come on, baby. Let's get into it now, baby. All right, we got a double bottom here, pushing to the upside. Looking for a continuation. Standard deviation popping off over here. Looking for a return back down to 56,000 on the dot. Possibly looking for this right now. Okay. Up to the liquidity zone above us here. So targeting this area. We'll have to wait and find out. Dixie rolling over. Let's go into like a 15 on the Dixie. Yeah, big rollover, but a pop back. Okay, that 100 psychological level is going to be a big barrier for the Dixie to break down from. Okay, to break down from. But we want to see this. We want to see the Dixie die essentially, right? So coming down, retesting the lows here, wanting to see continuation to the downside. Cautious, 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 right? Cautious. A little retracement here for Bitcoin, but not much. Not much. Didn't give us much. 1 minute. Yeah, choppity chop chop. Coming back halfway down the flagpole. I'm going to remain patient here. I'm going to remain patient. Has anything else reacted wild? Anything else? How's Ethereum? Ethereum pushback. Solana pushback. Okay. Solana's flying. Okay. We had our buy zone in our premium Discord here at 127 to 125. Look at that. We came in perfectly. Beautiful double bottom here. Probably a bullish divergence. Okay. Nice call on Solana. If you are new here, come over, hang out in the Discord. There's a free section and the signals premium section. We have the cheapest, bestest, funnest Discord in all of crypto. And I'm biased, but I mean, ask the people who are there. We've had multiple calls recently and just been crushing it. We'd love to have you come and hang out. It's a kind, enthusiastic, fun Discord. I don't know. Ask the people who are in the Discord. Easy C, Martina, thank you for supporting the channel. Alexandra G, Michael, Luke Zaldana. God bless you guys. Anthony Soprano, Sniper's Nightmare, Guile. You guys are all part of the Otter family. We've been crushing it. Yeah. And I think because we're not like a massive channel, like you get the attention you actually deserve, which is important. It's like you go in, you're not just a number. Your family. We make you feel that way. Hopefully, we do our best anyways. Good morning, FD. FD in the place to be, man. Good morning to you, bro. How you doing? How you doing? Did you like that long yesterday? I know you liked that long yesterday. Sheesh, we coming up for that liquidity right now. They be adding jobs, man. They be adding jobs. People getting bullish as beep. Maybe that 54,000, we don't revisit it, guys. I don't know. I ain't here to tell you whether we revisit it or not. I just care about the volatility, baby. That's it. That's it. So let's see here. Some sellers coming in, so be cautious if we wick up here. This is our key level here, 56,750. A little bit of resistance up here. We'll see if we can blast through that as well. We got a whole bunch of people in here, man. We got 120 people, 130 people in here. We got some volatility. Bitcoin is ripping. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for supporting the channel. We got a free Discord, a premium Discord with trade setups, crushing it. Market Cypher sponsored, looking to help you guys on your trading journey. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. So many good people, so many good faces in here. Hope you're all doing well. Let's smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We'd love to have you. And we continue to help. We continue to help. Profitable traders helping you guys. We're a YouTuber second, okay? I think that's the gift, man. Is that like I'm out here paying my bills with trading, okay? I ain't out here trying to take your money. And I think that's the beautiful thing, man. I think that's a beautiful thing. You're saying take a look at Link. What's Link? Link is on a tear. Yes, going up from $9.90. I thought that was quite a bargain. Quite a bargain. Martina says this is a fake pump. Okay. We do know that they do like to justify fake numbers, right? And then they change them in a couple months. So we need to be very well aware not to chase price. We're not in a trade right now. I'm just letting the dust settle. You got to give it at least 10 minutes, okay? We've given it 10 minutes. We've come up to a key level of resistance. We can be looking for shorts up here, okay? I'm not against looking for shorts on this liquidity grab up here. Okay. Okay, nice push, but yet coming into our key level of resistance, grabbing the top of this area here. So we have taken liquidity up here. So this could continue downwards, okay? Quite possibly. Okay. Everybody getting excited, right? But remember we said bias to the upside today just because of the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, right? We're going to get 4 3-hour candles today in our trading session. 3 4 hours, 6 2-hour candles, right? And we look to take advantage of all this price action, and hopefully we can do so. Martina says, wait for New York Open. Yeah, I if the opportunity comes in and it makes sense, I will take it. But yes, I do agree with waiting for the Open. Okay. Doesn't mean we can't have a little scalpy, little fun within this range here. Right now we've pushed up. People are getting long in here, right? So people are getting long right now. Happy days. They're going to get returned to, okay? So there's a possible short entry here, but I would like to see some sort of like bear div. Right now, I just be patient. Right now, we wait. I am New York Open. Let's go, Trader Geo. Congratulations, my man, on your beautiful 10,000 subscribers, bro. Great work, man. Great work, man. You run New York. We run New York. I mean, it's not a far drive for us, is it, Geo, man? It's not a far drive for us, bro. It's they're seeking Canadian help. I don't know what we're gonna do for them, but congrats on your 10K, bro. It's a grind. It's a grind, and I respect the hustle, bro. Good job, man. Good job. It's funny. I see like Geo's community taking the short, and we're taking the long. Like he has the Nexus, and we have our Otter Family Premium, and like Geo be grabbing. I think he grabbed this short here, and we grabbed this long here. I think you guys grabbed this short down, right, and we grabbed this long up. Then we grabbed this long up. I don't know what, but it's great, man. I love seeing other people crush it too, man. I know you got this short in here. We got this long in here. We got this long in here. But it's great to see, you know. Oh man. Yeah, it's both working out really well, man. I respect your hustle. I see you crushing it, man. He's a trader first and a YouTuber second as well. So it's beautiful. We'll see what we get here, man. You're working hard though, man, and it looks good on you. Looks good on you. The meter is, I'm not even counting the ums anymore. Darren, I'm just adding like 10s to this. We added like let's make this 150 now. Okay, the meter is at 150. We just adding 25s to this. We adding 25s to this. We shorted like 5 times yesterday. Nice. Nice, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, we had I think 3 longs. Solana lana long, Solana lana long, long. Oh yeah. I didn't take a short yesterday, man. I didn't take a short. Maybe because I'm already short. Gio, what's your take on this 4-hour bullish divergence coming down here in this descending channel? Okay, that's what I want to know. Do you not think you're Mr. Liquidity? I know you're Mr. Liquidity. We need to take this before we go lower. We need to take. Is that not facts? We're getting multiple bullish divergence here. Okay. Do we not need to come up here before we go down there? Okay, you tell me. They're not. The divs aren't diving, bro. The divs. It's just like on the way up, man. The divs don't give a two shits, man. That's okay. That's okay. Right? The divs ain't diving. Up or down, man, doesn't matter. We still making money. The beautiful thing, I keep saying this, the beautiful thing if you're a trader in this environment is that you are getting 1%, 2%. You know what I mean? You're getting beautiful. If you can't make money off of 1% and 2% moves. I mean, it's the volatility is so precious, man. Because if you were trading bear market volatility, you would understand how painful it was, right? It was. I know you were trading this range back here. If you go back and if I could turn back time, right? If I could find a way. But if you were trading back here, come on, load. There we go. If you were trading in here, like the 25,000 range, this range, this was absolutely painful. This is painful, man. You want to talk about boring? You can still make money here, but you gotta change your strategy. And that's it. Tino's prediction will come true. What did Tino say? What did Tino say? Haven't you learned it's going straight to $10,000? Oh man, you guys kill me. You guys kill me. Good morning, Red Man. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. How's it going? 85K by October. Okay. We are getting a little push up in here. I don't make predictions like that, man. Close my long. Nice play for the day. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice sniper's nightmare making that bank, bro. Making that bank. Let's go. I'm just a troll under the bridge today. What's going on, Schaefer? Flagging out here. Can we continue upwards? Oh, man. He's calling 84 by the 18th. Okay. I ain't I ain't complaining, man. I ain't complaining. If we push up into rate cuts, that would be balance in the force, right? We push up, we get a dump. That'd be great. Might take a little stab here. Might take a little scab. Oh, man. I'm taking a little stab, guys. Taking a little stab. We'll see. Ooh-wee. Oh, man. Has the dust settled enough? Can we blow on the candles for me? Can we all get a blow on the candles for me, please? Can I get a blow on the candles? I'm being cheap as fuck right now. Can I get a blow on the candles? They don't want to give it to me. They don't want to give it to me. My stuff be lagging right now. My stuff is lagging bad. I don't know why. $56,600. Stop loss. Why is my stuff lagging so bad right now? I'm in a cheap trade right now. This is right here. This is right here. TP1's this high. Push. 790. Did we just miss it? Do you not want to push for me? Push for me, baby. Am I glitching? I'm glitching hard. You guys can still hear me? Canada doesn't like me making